So now that we understand that a semitone is the smallest interval we can have between two notes, let's learn how we can give names to the notes that fall between the white keys of a keyboard. To do this, we use special symbols: a sharp or a flat. These symbols are called accidentals. A G sharp is the name of the note that is one semitone above G. In other words, by giving G a sharp, we raise it by one semitone. It will also sound a semitone higher in pitch. A G flat is the name of the note that is one semitone lower than G. In other words, if we give a G a flat, we lower it by one semitone. It will sound one semitone lower in pitch. On the stave, we draw accidentals before the note we want to affect, even though we say it after. We draw the accidentals on the same line or space as the notes. This is how we draw a sharp. Start with two lines next to each other that go straight down. Now, draw two diagonal lines, one on top of the other, that cross over the first two lines. We draw a flat like this. Start with a line that goes straight down. Next, draw a small curve to the right and at the bottom of the line. It looks like a lowercase b. An important rule to know about sharps and flats is that when we use a sharp or a flat once in a bar, it affects all the notes on the same line or space as the accidental that follow in that bar. For example, if this B has a flat, these Bs will also be flattened. You may have seen another type of accidental in your music. This is called a natural. Sometimes in music, we want to cancel a sharp or a flat that has already been used on a note. We use the natural symbol to do that. For example, if we do not want these Bs to be flat, we can use a natural to cancel the flat. An A natural is the same as an A.